Hello everyone. This is our group Tksynergy. So our data is come from the DOSM, which is the NHMS 2019 use dispersion and in Malaysia. So our group member have Ping, Shan, and Johnson. This is the first. This is the first thing that you can see in our dashboard, and here you can uh, notice that is the Malaysia overall percentage of the non-dispersion, which is the 97%, and the most emergent state, which is the very similar. And compared to the compare the female and the male dispersion level, you can see the female is more dispersion number than the males by 0.83%, and the rural more dispersion than rural 0.13%. So overall dispersion in Malaysia, you can look at the heat map here, and this is the detail for the heat map, and this is the detail rural and urban. You can see the blue color bar actually is representing to the non-dispersion, and the orange is representing the dispersions. Uh, so actually, the percentage between the rural and urban actually is not that too huge different, uh, not too big difference between the rural and urban. So here maybe we can interpret it maybe in our countryside and our village and our kampong actually is not too big different development, so that can so that the pressure between the ruler and the urban will be the same. And maybe the data actually from the DOSM is not too complete. This the two outcome possible from the dashboard here. Next, here is the slicer that we do for the both event and the detail, which is for us to easy to compare, and is very convenient tools. So for us you can easy to compare between the Johor, like if you want to show the Johor and Kelantan only, also can. So you can see from the bar chart here, actually the more high position here, maybe then integrated more non-dispersion state. So if the state which is going down, this means the dispersion is increasing. Yeah, like here, increasing. That means the Malaysia is the most dispersion state here. And then Sabah, then the Putrajaya, then the Pahang, then the last is the Johor. Yeah.
Hi, I am Shan. Now I would like to further explain more about our dashboard. As you can see here, the factors of depression in Malaysia is presented using mosaic chart. The purpose of using mosaic chart in this slide is to show relationships and a visual way to compare groups. Here, you can see that the top 3 factors that contribute to depression in Malaysia is feeling tired, which is 25.81%, trouble sleepy, which is 17.84%, and little interest with 13.32%. The other factors that contributes to depression in Malaysia is also shown in this mosaic chart. Now, this slide shows the top 4 score of depression according to states. We take the sum of score of every depression factors of each state divided by the total number of respondents of each state. The purpose of this calculation is to avoid bias since the total number of respondents from every state is different. Here we can see that Putrajaya has the top score of depression followed by Terengganu, Perlis and Sabah. Then, we compare the relationship between the mean score of depression factors according to states with depression status. You might be wondering why Putrajaya has the top score of depression when the most depressed state is Negeri Sembilan, which was stated previously by my friend. This is because a person with high scores in depression factors does not mean that he or she is depressed. The depression status is also calculated by summing up the total number of people who are depressed in the state divided by the total number of respondents in the state. In this slide, the relationship between depression status and score according to age group is shown. As you can see here, the top age group that has the most depression status are the people in 20s, which are 20 to 24 and 25 to 39, followed up with the age group of 30 to 34 and the age group of 50 to 54.
Hi, my name is Kueh. Now I'm going to present the next analysis. By these two bar graphs, we notice that the mean score of depression for widow or divorce is the highest, and those who are single have the lowest score of depression according to the research. From another perspective, the graph of the mean score of marriage status according to the states in Malaysia shows that Johor has the highest score of married people, while Perak has the lowest score. However, Perak has the highest score in people who are single, and Perlis has the lowest score. Besides that, for those who are widow or divorces, Negeri Sembilan has the lowest score of depression, while Perlis has the highest score of depression. This shows that marriage status is not a necessary reason of depression in Malaysia in 2019. Next, from the mean score analysis of education status, we found out that for those who have no formal education have the highest score of depression. This may be because of the difficulty of suffering in the stressful environment in Malaysia while the living cost increase. The people who have classified education level has the lowest score of differentiation. The graph shows that people who had tertiary education had lower scores compared to those who had primary education. This may be because of that know how to handle the stress curve correctly. After that, the graph shows the comparison between the mean score of urban and rural area for each state. The graph shows that Johor has the lowest mean score, while Terengganu has the highest mean score in rural area. For urban area, Putrajaya shows the highest mean score for depression, while Kelantan has the lowest mean score. This may be because Putrajaya is the top urban area in Malaysia, which has higher living costs compared to other states. Lastly, the graph shows the mean score of depression according to financial status. It shows that those who have a financial status below B40 have the highest mean score, while those who are in the category above B40 have the lowest mean score. This clearly shows that most of the people are struggling with financial problems as the living cost increased in 2019. However, this analysis is not the exact result, as the research may include a different amount of people who are from different sectors and making this analysis inaccurate. Hence, there is a suggestion that if all the Malaysians can take this research, will be a better way to make a more accurate conclusion. That's all from our group. Hope this will help you in the analysis of the differential sectors of Malaysia in 2019. Thank you.